Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I'm a little excited about today's video because I have 6 different jobs that are all non-phone based, no talking. We have like customer service that's through email, chat. We have document processing, things like that, data entry. I know a lot of you have left comments that you're looking for non-phone based, like no talking type jobs. I do share regular customer service phone jobs from time to time as well. I'm always trying to mix it up and keep a little bit of something for everyone. But as always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. Of course, the YouTube description box below this video has a link to a page that has all summaries of all of these that I'll be discussing listed, with these Glassdoor pages linked if you want to come read reviews, or the application page if you want to get that application in. Timestamps are also in the YouTube description box below this video. I always just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Without wasting any more time though, first up we have the company Kiddom. Now Kiddom only has 49 reviews from past and current employees, so please always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They have a 2.9 out of 5-star rating, so kind of right there, a little over the middle. So some people love them, some people hate them. But they are hiring a user support advocate to work remote anywhere in the United States. And this is a customer service through email and chat. So Kiddom works with schools. They empower schools and school districts to take ownership of their curriculum and their learning experiences, trying to get them to tailor those experiences to meet the unique needs and goals of local communities and local kids. So this is going to be in like the education realm. They use a education platform, and so you're going to assist and support those users by responding to their inquiries through email or their online chat through Help Scout. You're going to communicate with a diverse group of users like schools. You might have to work with parents, different things like that. They all have diverse backgrounds, and so you're going to have to help them use the platform and use the product. You'll have to maintain a knowledge base to help users solve problems they encounter while using the product without dependency on in-person interaction. So you're really going to have to be able to be clear and concise in the message you're trying to deliver through that email or words. You will have to basically be a problem solver for them. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just 1 to 2 years of customer service experience. Somebody who has experienced learning and using new technology. So you've got to be a fast learner. You've got to have empathy for educators, a passion for improving the education. And it's beneficial if you already know how to use like CRM tools like Help Scout, Jira, Salesforce. Not required though. Pay for this position's anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. Next up, we have the company Seesaw. Now, Seesaw has 66 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist. Again, this is going to be through email. Now, this is going to be a temporary contract position. The contract starts June 3rd of 2024 and ends in September of 2024. It is full-time during that time, and the pay is $17 an hour. But this is a great temporary job to get and work while you're putting in those applications, still looking for that dream job. But this again is in the education space. They want teachers and schools to be successful with their Seesaw platform, and so they're looking for compassionate problem solvers. You're going to solve the customer issues again through email for teachers, parents, and administrators, making sure that they successfully know how to use the Seesaw platform. You'll use spreadsheets to process data, resolve errors, just identifying and escalating any software challenges or bugs up to the teams. So again, you're going to have to learn how to use the Seesaw software product yourself. They're looking for somebody who has a deep empathy, again, for education, teachers, parents, somebody who has advanced computer skills. You can learn new technology. You have 2 years of customer service experience and great communication skills. Again, pay for this one is $17 an hour. Next up, we have Zone and Company. They only have 17 reviews, so please, again, do your own research. They do have a higher employee satisfaction rating coming in at 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a communications specialist. Now, this company is committed to freeing finance teams from limitations of systems that are clunky and use manual processing. And so they are looking for somebody to support timely and accurate dissemination of the company and product announcements to the key stakeholders such as partners, customers, media outlets, through a variety of communication channels. These communication channels are all going to be non-phone though. They're email, social media, website, and newswire. So no standard phone. You're going to help shape and maintain the editorial calendar, making sure that all the content is on brand and helps elevate the brand increased through leadership. So you're going to pitch compelling stories to the media outlets and journalists, hoping that they pick them up and generate a positive coverage for your company. So you're just going to basically be coordinating relationships with all of these key media contacts. This job will require some research and editing of high quality materials to give out to these journalists for media pitches, social media posts, blog posts, these articles that you want these journalists to pick up and write. So what they are looking for, 3 to 5 years of someone who's been in public relations or like a communications, somebody who has experience with business to business, fast paced environments, specifically in like finance or tech, someone who's a great writer, a great communicator, and can build strong, loyal relationships with people. No college degree is needed though. Now, unfortunately, this company did not list the pay in the job description. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So unfortunately, that will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company Class Dojo. Class Dojo has 28 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a very high employee satisfaction rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a trust and safety support specialist. Now, this says San Francisco or remote. All of these jobs are remote for the United States. One thing to note about Class Dojo, they have an app. They are again in the education space. Teachers in different schools can set up like teams on or classes and groups on this app, and you get a code and you can join with your code, and that connects you and puts you in that specific group. And then the teachers can send out, it's basically like an instant message chat group at that point. Teachers can send out reminders about homework. They can send out pictures of the things the students were doing in class, art projects, things like that, recognitions, reminders about like meetings or different activities that are going on with the school. My kids' school used to use Class Dojo. It was a great app that connected you with the teacher in the school to keep parents up to date, and students were able to be in there as well. So because they run an app, you've got to make sure things that are going to be posted in this app and all stay within the trust and safety guidelines, that everyone is staying safe and information about people is not being leaked. But because this is an app for your phone or an online community, it's all going to be non-phone. They're hiring basically support specialists to handle the safety tickets, online tickets that come in from a variety of users. That can be the parents, the teachers, the tutors, school leaders, children's, or even government bodies. So you're going to basically respond to these escalated customer tickets in a timely manner, identifying and document any product or process improvements that you're observing from the customer interactions, enhancing the documentation and training materials for the app for specifically privacy and safety concerns and support. So you're just going to work with like legal teams and leadership, making sure that everything is good to go. They're looking for somebody who has 3 years of experience responding to customer service requests, specifically using ticketing software like Zendesk. Someone who is comfortable handling sensitive communications in a timely manner. You've got to have great written communication skills and the ability to work in a fast-moving environment. Now, again, this is another one that did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Next up, we have Reli Group. Reli Group has 69 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a document processor. So you are going to be working on a project that focuses on researching ownership information reported by entities to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid. And you're going to be just going through the Medicare enrollment process, comparing it with the ownership information that was reported. So a lot of research, you're going to be researching the providers on the SOS website, obtaining filings per their respective state standards. You're going to analyze this documentation and provider ownership information found on the website for the provider enrollment. And you're going to evaluate each ownership discrepancies and make sure everything matches up in accordance with the SOP. You'll document your research results in the ServiceNow system, adhering to just all the research guidelines. So a lot of online research verifying information. They are looking for somebody who can follow policies and procedures, have great attention to detail, great organizational skills, great critical thinking skills. You've got to be able to meet deadlines working within all of your different workloads. Because this is a research type position, you do have to have computer skills and reliable internet. No college degree is needed though, just a high school diploma and 3 to 6 months of administrative skills. Pay for this one is very little at the very bottom, but is anywhere from $28,200 a year all the way up to $42,200 a year. And if you're looking for data entry, last but not least, we have Firstsource Solutions. They have 3,000 reviews and overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for data entry. Now, they don't really have a lot of detail about the actual position. They more detail what they're looking for. So the primary responsibilities is literally data entry. That's all they say, that you're going to work in a fast-paced mail production environment. So you're going to work across all data capture platforms. So you're just trying to enter data off a document into their system is what this looks like. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma, 1 to 3 years of data entry experience, can be a multitasker, a team player, great attention to detail. And again, sadly, they did not list pay, just like they did not list a lot of information about the job, but it is a legit company, so I thought I would share. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments, again, anything that you're looking for. Never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.